Guys, this mod is going to change the way how my car sounds, how it feels, how it looks, everything. As you guys probably saw in the thumbnail, the caption, whatever, I got front mount intakes. So I'm on my way up to M-Tech right now, M-Tech Performance, to pick them up, pay for it, grab it. Me and my boy Reek, we're gonna install it. So stay tuned because I'm gonna put in some clips of me doing brake boost so you can hear it. Some little revs, pulls, whatever the case is. So stay tuned. This is gonna be a great video. You don't want to miss it. Peace. Alright guys, we just paid for the front mount intakes. Got a whole bunch of machines right here, yo. Some crazy whips. Just cashed out on it. I heard about this X3M. Seen a couple of videos on it. Crazy machine too. Sheesh. Look on the tire setup, guys. Crazy. Oh gosh. Don't mind the mess, y'all. Gonna be crazy. M-Tech. Gonna be crazy. So got all the clamps and stuff. Alright. So I'm not even gonna bore you guys with anything else. I'm gonna jump to when we're installing it. See you there. Alright guys, so first we put in this part, because this part is the hardest part. So you gotta kind of squeeze it through that hole. I recommend using soap and water. Spray it on the pipe. One person pushes it from here while the other one pulls it from down there. Oh, you guys can't even see. There you go. So yeah. So now we got the hardest part on. Now we just gotta do this part. Put on the filter, tighten up everything. Let's hear what you saw. Alright, quick update guys. So we actually had to take out this crash bar. Let me brighten this up. As you can see, because the air filter wouldn't fit there with the crash bar in. We're gonna put that back in and then I'll update you guys. Alright guys, it's a new week, new haircut, new mod on the car. As you guys can probably see. Let me give you a quick little glimpse of how it looks from the outside here. That looks so mean, oh my gosh. And then the inside, it frees up a lot of space here. Hey, maybe turbo soon, who knows. But yeah guys, it's been raining so much here in South Florida. I couldn't finish up the installation part because every time it stopped raining, we try and finish one part and then it started raining. So yeah, I'm gonna give you some revs, some pulls, brake boost, so you guys can hear how it sounds. All right, stay tuned. Alright guys, there we have it. This is the front mount intakes on my BMW X3 M40i. It definitely sounds crazy. When you're driving, you know, you're in like 3,000, 4,000 RPM and you let go off the gas, you're gonna hear it loud. But let me show you again from the outside how it looks. So you guys can get a quick look there. Definitely makes the front of the car look meaner. Go to a car show, people are gonna think I'm turbo and all that stuff, but but yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Just support the channel, you know, we're all in this together. Let's continue modding our cars. Everyone can get their own idea if they want to do that to their car or not. So there you have it. Peace.